Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. We're on Unit 5, Week 2, Day 1 in our morning workbook. The directions say edit write each sentence correctly, change each underlined noun to its correct pronoun. Remember that a pronoun takes the place of a noun. Number 1, the gardener grew lettuce for those people. Number 2, Miss Gaines is a yearly competitor. Fix them up, replace the noun with a pronoun, and rewrite them nice and neat. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Next part is the daily math review. Pause your video, you know what to do there. Number 6, story problem. Lily has 12 more hair bows than Jen. Lily has 62 hair bows. How many hair bows does Jen have? So what we can do is we can take Lily's 62. We can take away 12 because we're finding the difference, and that'll tell us how many hair bows Jen has. The first thing you're going to want to do, though, is you're going to want to rewrite this problem. You're going to want to write 62 minus 12, line up your tens, line up your ones, put in your equal bar, and solve, and that will give you your answer for here and here. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, circle all the rectangles. Remember, a rectangle has 4 sides. 2 pairs of those sides have equal lengths, so one pair of sides are the same, the other pair of sides are the same. Pause your video, do number 7, circle all the rectangles. Number 8, another story problem. The school playground is 90 feet long. The park playground is 120 feet long. How many feet longer is the park playground? Again, just like number 6, we're finding the difference between the lengths of the 2 playgrounds. We're finding the difference, so that means we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract 90 from 120, so 120 minus 90. So we're going to want to rewrite the problem just like we did with number 6. 120 minus 90. Put your tens in the tens place, your ones in the ones place. Put your equal bar and solve. Once you solve, it's going to give you your answer that goes here, which is also the same answer that goes here. Pause your video, do number 8. The last problem is number 9. How many $1 bills equals one $5 bill? So, blank dollar bills equals $5. Write your answer on the blank. Pause your video and do number 9. And with that, we'll start checking from the top. All right, number 1, the gardener grew lettuce for those people. Sounds like a question to me, so I'm going to leave the question mark there. But I am going to replace the gardener with he. But it could also be she. So I'm going to put he or she, and it's going to have a capital, whichever one you decide to use, because it's the beginning of the sentence. So she grew lettuce for those people. Instead of those people, we've got to use a pronoun. How about them? She grew lettuce for them. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Okay, looks good. She grew lettuce for them. Then we'll go to number 2. Miss Gaines is a yearly competitor. So we're going to change Miss Gaines into she, because Miss means woman, with a capital S. She is a yearly. Yearly was a spelling word last week. We spell year, and then we add the suffix ly, L-Y. Competitor, period. We're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. So as I was writing this on the line, I actually found a mistake. Competitor has ER on the end, and it actually should be OR. So it's C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-O-R. Competitor. I-T-O-R. Period. She is a yearly competitor. Go down to our daily math review. 12 minus 2 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 11 minus 2 equals 9. And 13 minus 3 equals 10. Scroll down to number 6. And remember, you should be checking these right now. You should have already done the problems. You shouldn't be copying my answers. All you should be doing is fixing your answers if you got it wrong. So I told you to do this part. I'm going to solve it. So we got 50. So that means her friend Jen actually has 50 hair bows, and Lily has 12 more, which is 62. On number 7, we're going to circle all the rectangles. This is actually a rectangle and a square, believe it or not. And let's see, number 8, told you what to do on this one. I'm going to have to do some regrouping because I can't take 9 from 2. Cross these guys out. This is going to become a 0, and this is going to become 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, so my answer is 30 feet. So there's a difference of 30 feet between the playground, the school playground, and the park playground, right? Because the park playground is bigger than the school playground. All right, so $5 bills equals one $5 bill. And with that, we are all done with our first day of morning work. Good luck with your other assignments.